evolution. Children, in this lesson, we are going to learn the origin of humans and the different stages of human evolution, and to understand the use of fire and wheel, and to know the significance of rock paintings of the ancient humans. Given picture represents the stages of human evolution. Before 460 crore years, Earth revolves, and before 20 lakhs years, man starts to walk. Before 3 lakh years, man spread over Earth, and before 8,000 years, they started cultivation. Before 5,000 years, they found the civilization, and last stage is modern man. The story of human evolution can be scientifically studied with the help of archaeology and anthropology. Archaeology is a study of prehistoric humans' remained materials used by prehistoric humans. Excavated material remains are the main source for archaeological studies. Let's see stages of human evolution. First one is Australopithecus. Second one is Homo habilis. Third one Homo erectus. Fourth one Neanderthal. Fifth one Homo sapiens. And last one is Cro-Magnons, that is the present man. Australopithecus is a proto-human evolved in Eastern Africa. A mix of human and ape traits, bipedal walk, that is walking on two legs. Homo habilis, presence of big toe to hold tightly and less protruding face, tool maker. Homo erectus, walked in a straight position, he had the knowledge of the fire. Neanderthal, different from Africans, their tools were crude. Hunting skills were also poor. There are evidences of burying the dead. Evidences are seen at Neanderthal in Germany. Next one is Homo sapiens. Modern human being, hunting and gathering society, still used crude stone implements, moved out of Africa and settled in Europe and Asia. Cro-Magnons, that is the present man, 50,000 years ago in Eastern Africa and 40,000 years ago in West Africa and in Southeastern Europe. Beginning of human life. Used not only implements made of stone but also of bone. Their weapons included harpoons and spear throwers. Before this, we have seen stages of human evolution. Now let's see people and their habitat. Australopithecus, East Africa. Homo habilis, South Africa. Homo erectus, Africa and Asia. Neanderthal, Europe and Asia. Cro-Magnons, France. Peking, China. Homo sapiens, Africa. Heidelbergs, London. Anthropology is the study of human and evolutionary history. The word anthropology is derived from two Greek words, anthropos, meaning man or human, and logos, meaning thought or reason. Anthropologists attempt by investigating the whole range of human development and behavior to achieve a total description of cultural and social phenomena. Radiocarbon dating was used to ascertain the period. It was found out that the footprints of humans they had discovered were about 3.5 million years old. When there is sudden change in nature, the living beings adapt themselves to the changes and survive. Humans have thus evolved over millions of years, adapting themselves to the changing times. This picture represents the migration of Homo sapiens from East Africa to other parts of the world. Children, do you know what is human evolution? Yes, let's know what is human evolution. Human evolution means the process through which the mankind changes and develops towards an advanced stage of life. See how the modern human has evolved. Humans in erect position and walking on two legs happened much later. Changes in thumb so that they can hold things tightly. And development of brain. Homo sapiens who migrated out of Eastern Africa settled in different parts of the world. Their lifestyle also evolved and they made it suitable to the environs in which they lived. So humans in different places adopted different forms of lifestyle. Based on the weather, climate and nature of the living place, their physique and complexion also differed. This resulted in the formation of different races. Human procreation resulted in an increase in the population. The next topic we are going to discuss is about hunting and food gathering. Our ancestors led a nomadic life. They lived in groups in a cave or a mountain range. Each group consisted of 30 to 40 people. They kept on moving in search of food. They hunted pig, deer, bison, rhino, elephant and bear for food. They also scavenged the animals killed by other wild animals like tiger. They learned the art of fishing. They collected honey from beehives, plucked fruits from the trees and dug out tubers from the ground. They also collected grains from the forest. Once the food resource got exhausted in one area, they moved to another place in search of food. They wore hides of animals and barks of trees and leaves for protecting their bodies during winter. So humans began hunting to satisfy their need for food. Let's see the hunting methods. First one, go as a group and hunt the prey. Second step is dig a pit and trap the animals and hunt. Next one is art of flaking. Keeping a stone in the bottom and sharpening it with another stone. To make a stone tool, 2 stones were taken. One was used as a hammer to sharpen the other for removing flakes. This is a picture of stone tools and weapons.
Dear students, end of today's session. Homework, collect different type of stone tools. Recall beginning to end. Thank you.